Hello, it's Annelie, and today I'm gonna paint this two horses. I'm gonna use a little bit of texture paste or gel medium with a little bit of sand and my acrylics, and I'm just gonna enjoy myself. You can use your any gel medium. Just remember, gel mediums, they dry clear, or you can use any texture paste you've got. I've got this one that works very well. I don't know if they are in the other countries as well, but we in South Africa can use this one from Dala. It's a coarse texture paste. You can see it's got a sandy, I hope you can see inside there. It's almost like fine beach sand that's in this. So you can use this. Otherwise, I'm just going to show you here. I've got a little bit of a rather coarse sand here, and I've got a fine beach sand that I collected on the beach, and I've got a gel medium. So I'm just going to mix a little bit of this. Just going to take a little bit of my gel medium out. I don't want to put too much gel there. I'm just going to put a little bit of my sand in there. And I think I want a little bit of this one also there. Just a few drops. Just mix it in your gel. I've already made my my English sometimes struggle. I've already put my image on my canvas here. I don't mind because, as I said, the gel dries clear. If you put it on here, you will see. I can maybe put a little bit of more gel in there. Let me just get a little bit. The other thing that you must remember, it looks like if you've got a lot of texture, if you put your gel on, but as it dries, it flattens a lot. So whereas you use modeling paste, but that's opaque, that you won't be able to do this over a drawing. They tend to hold their peaks more, but the gel usually dries flat. So although it looks thick, it's not going to be that thick when you start to paint it. I think I want a little bit more of the sand maybe in here. And I think for now this is enough. So I'm just going to put it in the sun to dry. And then I'll come back and I'll paint over it. Okay, just give me a few, I'll come back as soon as this is dried, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, just the other thing I would like to tell you, if you've got a board that you need to put in a frame, just make sure if you've got a lot of texture there that you just clean where your board goes into your frame. Otherwise it's going to stand up and make gaps and so on. So you must always just make sure you've got all this around cleaned up, and you won't have that problem then. Okay, it's fairly dry now. There's still some places that it's a little bit wet, but I'm going to start with this now. I'm going to use blue and red and yellow and purple. And then I'm of course going to use a little bit of white, maybe 2 shades of blue, or maybe 2 shades of yellow, or 2 shades of red. But my main dominant colors is going to be purple, cadmium red, turquoise, and cadmium yellow. So this is the 4 colors I'm going to use. So you can just sit back and relax and watch me paint. Okay, I'm finished. I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed painting this. Next time when I do this, I won't put this lot of texture there on the false nose because and its face, because it was very difficult. I can't get the likeness there. But I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell that you can see future uploads of my videos. I will be so honored if you subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.